Okay. British high-ranking officer visited Potipondapuram, and he was the founder of he was very fond of hunting tigers, and also wanted to take the photograph with the dead beast after killing the tiger by him. হেৰি কৰি ভাল পাইছিলে, বাঘৰ শিকাৰ কৰি ভাল পাইছিলে আৰু বাঘটো মৰাৰ পাছত তাৰ সৈতে এখন ফটো তুলিও তেওঁ ভাল পাইছিলে। And fonder of being photographed with the tigers he had shot. He গুলিওৱা টাইগাৰটোত তোৰ সৈতে ফটো তুলিও সি ভাল পাইছিল। As usual, he wished to hunt tigers in Potipondapuram. As usual, naturally he wanted to hunt tigers in Potipondapuram because there were innumerable tiger in Potipondapuram state, and that is why he wanted, as he was very fond of hunting tigers, and that is why he wanted to hunt the tigers in Potipondapuram. And it is his natural instinct. স্বাভাৱিক প্ৰবৃত্তি আছিল যে মই যিহেতু টাইগাৰ হান্ট কৰি মই ভাল পাওঁ আৰু ইয়াত বহুত বেছি টাইগাৰ আছে, চ' মই এতিয়া হেৰি কৰিম, hunt korim, tiger hunt korim. But the Maharaja was firm in his resolve. Firm, mane determined in his resolve. In his here it means promise. Maharaja's promise was that he would attend all other important functions after fulfilling his mission, and no one was allowed to hunt the tigers. And if someone dares to throw even a stone to the tiger, then his property will be confiscated. And right now he is firm in his resolve that he will not allow the British officer to hunt the tigers, okay, because he has to kill 100 tigers, and that is why he did not allow anyone to kill tigers, because if he allows anyone to kill the tigers, then it will be Maharaja thought that perhaps there will be the shortage of tiger for him. যদি এলাও কৰে কাৰোবাক হেৰি কৰিবৰ কাৰণে, বাঘ মাৰিবৰ কাৰণে, তেতিয়াহ'লে তেওঁৰ কাৰণে হয়তো কমি যাব পাৰে, কাৰণ তেওঁ 100টা বাঘ মাৰিব লাগিব, 100টাটো কম বাঘ নহয়। He refused permission. He means the Maharaja refused permission. The British officer wanted permission from the Maharaja that he wanted to kill the tigers, but the Maharaja was firm in his resolve and he refused his permission. I can organize any other hunt. You may go on a boar hunt. Means pig hunt. You may conduct a mouse hunt. We are ready for a mosquito hunt, but tiger hunt, that is impossible. The king said that. The king refused permission and said that I can organize any other hunt. মই যিকোনো শিকাৰ অনুষ্ঠান আৰম্ভ কৰিব পাৰোঁ। I can organize any other hunt. You may go on a boar hunt. গাহৰি শিকাৰ কৰিব পাৰা। You may conduct a mouse hunt. We are ready for a mosquito hunt, but tiger hunt, সব hunt মই organize কৰিব পাৰোঁ, but tiger hunt it is impossible for me to conduct or to organize, okay? The British officer secretary sent words to the Maharaja through the Diwan that the Durai himself did not have to kill tigers. The British officer secretary sent word to the Maharaja. British officer secretary কথা দিলে, মহাৰাজালৈ word send কৰিলে, কথা দিলে। British officer secretary sent words to the Maharaja through the Diwan that the Durai himself did not have to kill the tiger. The Maharaja could do, it is the word of the Maharaja and it is the word of the British officer secretary. That means the British officer secretary sent words to the Maharaja that the actual hunt will be done by the Maharaja himself, but our officer wanted to take a photograph with the dead beast, okay? তাৰ মানে কৈছিলে যে আমাৰ অফিচাৰজনে নিজে বাৰু টাইগাৰ হান্ট নকৰে, তেওঁ যিহেতু এখন ফটোগ্ৰাফ ল'ব বিচাৰিছে, এক্সুৱেল হান্টটো মহাৰাজাই কৰিব। এক্সুৱেল হান্টটো মহাৰাজাই কৰিব, মানে টাইগাৰটো মহাৰাজাই মাৰিব, কিন্তু সেই ডেড বিষ্টৰ সৈতে এখন ফটো তুলিবলৈ পাৰ্মিশ্যন দিব লাগে। কথাটো সেইটো পিছত তেওঁ ক'লে। When the Maharaja refused the permission, যেতিয়া মহাৰাজাৰ পাৰ্মিশ্যনটো ৰিফিউজ কৰিছিল, তেতিয়া কৈছিল যে আসল কিলিংটো মহাৰাজাই কৰিব, কিন্তু তেওঁক অকল এখন ফটোহে তুলিব দিব লাগে। The British officer secretary sent word to the Maharaja through the Diwan. দিৱানৰ যোগেদি কথা পঠিয়ালে, মানে কথাখিনি ক'লে কথাখিনি ক'লে that the Durai himself did not have to kill the tiger. Durai did not kill the tiger by himself. নিজে নিজে নামাৰে. The Maharaja could do the actual hunt, actual killing. Maharaja will do the actual killing. Maharaja jone asol baghto Maharajai maribo. Asol shikarto Maharajai koribo. What was important to the Durai was a photograph of himself holding the gun and standing over the tiger's carcass. What was important to the Durai? The important point for the Durai did not kill the tigers. Actual killing will be done by the Maharaja himself. And the important point is that important point to the Durai was a photograph of himself holding the gun and standing over the tiger's carcass. Carcass মানে corpse, dead body. CORPS, corpse. তোমালোকে পাইছিলা হেৰিত you have found the word or you come across the word in a portrait of a lady in your 11th standard. First year paisa. The important point is that the Durai wanted to take the photograph holding the gun. Suppose it is the gun. Itu bottle hai hoy mo bujabor karone gun boli koiso. Dead beast to edekhota ase gun to hatot loi ekhon photo tulibo. Aru hetu he important point hoise. The important point for the Durai was to hold the gun along with the beast, and that is the important point. Okol photo ekhon he tulibo. Baghtu to maribo rajai maribo. Kintu Durai matra photo ekhon he tulibo camera to ki pistol to hatot loi. But the Maharaja would not agree even to this proposal. But still, Maharaja did not agree. Ek khetroto Maharaja honmoti nohol. If he relented now, relented mane surrendered. Etia jodi ta hobo dia aha tumi enake jodi koy. If he relented now, what would he do if other British officers turned up for tiger hunts? If he relented now, if he surrendered now, he thought that if I surrender now, then what would he do if the other British officers turned up for tiger hunt? Baki officer bilake ejonok allow korar lage lage baki bilako jodi ahi jay tetihole ki hobo? He khetrot teo bhoy khaisil. Because he prevented a British officer from fulfilling his desire, the Maharaja stood in danger of losing his kingdom itself. Because he prevented a British officer from fulfilling his desire, as he prevented mane badha dia, as he refused the high-ranking British officer from fulfilling his desire, so the Maharaja stood in danger of losing his kingdom itself. Teo jehetu ejon British officer ok mona korisil, teo desire to fulfill hoat badha disil, gotike teo etia kingdom khon heruar khetrot, teo position to heruar khetrot bhoy hoise. He was in danger of losing his kingdom itself because he prevented a high ranking British officer from fulfilling his desire. Okay, till the last, the British officer wanted to take the permission of taking a photograph with a dead beast. Still he did not allow. Hek muhurtoleke British officer jone koisil je moi okol photo khon he lom dead beast tore hoite mora body to mora hotore hoite baghtu to maribo rajai ar moi matra photo khon he lom himan khini leke agbahisil kintu hetu to allow no korisil, thinking that perhaps it will cause danger or it will create danger for the Maharaja if he relented now, if he surrendered now, because if he allow one British officer, then other British officer will take the same position or do the same work. Then what will he do now at that time? Titia hale hi ki korbe ejonok allow kor lage lage jodi baki bilako ahi ulai moi eneke photo tuli moi eneke bag mari titia te baki bilako ki koba ejonok allow korile baki kijonok nidu buli kole beya hobo, gotike himanot eta na lage buli koi ৰখাই থলে আৰু এই ৰখাই থোৱা কাৰণে তেওঁ এতিয়া নিজে বিপদত পৰিছে. The Maharaja and the Diwan had held deliberations over the issues. Deliberation means discussions over this issue. Maharaja and the Diwan held deliberation. Now the Maharaja and the Diwan talked together regarding this issue. Issue means ek khetrot kotha patise jete ki hobo, moi to allow no korilu, moi to allow no korile ki hobo, he kotha loi pelai discuss korise. As a result, a telegram was dispatched forthwith to a famous British company of jewelers in Kolkata. As a result, a telegram was dispatched means sent. A telegram was sent forthwith means immediately. A telegram was dispatched, telegram was sent forthwith immediately. A telegram was sent to a famous British company of jewelers in Kolkata. As a result, a telegram was dispatched, telegram was sent immediately to a famous company, British company of jewelers in Kolkata. Kolkata থকা British company, এটা বিখ্যাত British company জুৱেলাৰীলে এখন টেলিগ্ৰাম পঠিয়াই দিয়া হ'ল. Send samples of expensive diamond rings of different designs. Send samples of expensive diamond rings of different designs. বিভিন্ন ডিজাইনৰ yes, send samples of expensive diamond rings in different design. বিভিন্ন ডিজাইনত থকা ভাল ভাল ডায়মণ্ড ৰিঙৰ কিছুমান চেম্পল পঠিওৱা. আৰু সেইখন পঠিয়াইছিলে ক'ত? কলিকতাত থকা ব্ৰিটিছ কোম্পানীৰ এটা ভাল জুৱেলাৰী, ব্ৰিটিছৰ আণ্ডাৰত থকা এটা ভাল কোম্পানীৰ জুৱেলাৰীলে. Some 50 rings arrived. The Maharaja sent a whole lot to the British officers' good lady. Good lady means British officers' wives. Some 50 rings arrived. So 50 diamond ring ahise, different designs. The Maharaja sent a whole lot to the British officers' good lady. The king and the minister expected the Duryazani to choose 1 or 2 rings and send the rest back. In order to please the British officer, then Maharaja took another step. British অফিচাৰজনক সন্তুষ্ট কৰিবৰ কাৰণে মহাৰাজাই অন্য এটা ষ্টেপ লৈছিল. In order to please the British officer, the Maharaja took another step, অন্য এটা ষ্টেপ লৈছিল ব্ৰিটিছ অফিচাৰজনক সন্তুষ্ট কৰিবৰ কাৰণে. He sent a telegram to the famous British company of jewelers in Kolkata and asked them to send diamond rings of different designs. Accordingly, 50 rings arrived and Maharaja sent the whole rings to the British officer's good lady. গোটেইকেইটা ring পঠিয়াই দিছিল and thought that perhaps his wife will take 1 or 2 and send the rest back. আৰু পিছৰকেইটা 50টা দিছে, 50টা দিলে বুলিয়ে যে 50টা ৰাখি থ'ব সেইটো কোনো কথা নহয়. 50টা দিছিল, ভাবিছিলে যে এটা বা দুটা ৰাখি থ'ব আৰু বাকীখিনি পঠিয়াই দিব. But that was not done. That was not happen. Within no time, that means খুব সোনকালে, within no time at all, the Duryazani sent her reply. That means very soon the Duryazani sent her reply, thank you very much for your gifts. গোটেইখিনি ৰাখি থ'লে মাইকী মানুহ লোভ থাকে নহয়, সোণৰ বস্তু, গহনা এইবিলাকৰ প্ৰতি লোভ থাকে নহয়, তাই ডায়মণ্ড ৰিং পাই পেলাই গোটেই সোপা এক একোবাৰে ৰাখি থ'লে আৰু সেইবিলাকৰ লগত থেংক ইউ. Within a short period of time or very soon, Duryazani sent her reply that thank you very much for your gifts. গোটেই গিফ্টখিনিৰ কাৰণে মোক ধন্যবাদ. 50টা ৰিং পঠিয়াইছিল, ভাবিছিল এটা দুটা ৰাখিব আৰু বাকীখিনি পঠিয়াই দিব, তাই গোটেই সোপা ৰাখিছে আৰু বিলাক কৈছে কি থেংক ইউ. In 2 days, a bill for 3 lakh of rupees came from the British jewelers, and accordingly, as they sent 50 rings, the company sent British jewelers sent 50 rings, and that is why bill came from the from the British jewelers that a bill of 3 lakh 3 lakh টকাৰ এখন বিল আহিছিল তাৰ পৰা. The Maharaja was happy that though he had lost 3 lakh of rupees, he had managed to retain his kingdom. Retain মানে keep hold of, ধৰি ৰাখিব পৰা. The Maharaja was happy in the fact that though he lost 3 lakhs of rupees, still he was able to hold of his kingdom. তথাপি তেওঁ নিজৰ ৰাজ্যখন যে ধৰি ৰাখিব পাৰিলে সেইটোৱে বহুত. 3 লাখ টকা হেৰালে মানে 3 লাখ টকা গ'ল, কিন্তু তথাপিও যে মই কিংডমখন ৰাখিব পাৰিলোঁ নিজৰ হাতৰ মুঠিত আৰু পজিশ্যনটো যে তেওঁ নেহেৰালে, সেই ক্ষেত্ৰত তেওঁ হেপী. অ'কে, within this I have completed the 3rd part and the 4th part will be continued in my next video. Okay.